Thank you all so very much. We're about to play a song we released in 2015. And because of this song, we got to meet a lot of you, we got to travel the world, we got to make more memories than we could possibly count. So if you discovered the band through this song, it goes out to you, and I want to hear y'all getting real fucking loud. It's called Dial Tones. Thank you so very much, New York.